Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to become a host on Bigo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. So the first step to take guys is to open your Bigo Live application and then click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that guys, you see all these options right here, so go ahead and click on the creator center option, and then to start loading. Right, so what we have to do next guys is to scroll down just a little bit, and then you see this apply for official host option. Tap on that, and then start loading, so we just have to wait for some few seconds. Alright, so these are some recommended agencies you can apply to be a host for. So all you have to do is to click on the apply button, and then your application is going to be submitted and then it will be in review. So once it is reviewed successfully, then you can become a host for any of these agencies. Alright guys, so this is how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.